things?
Yeah, sure.
Actually, what you did is somewhat good, but you should prepare a boundary value analysis and ECP, no, the test data.
What about test data?
Just a minute, I'll tell you. Yeah, this is you did for cyclists, right? Okay, you provided the data here. First name, last name, username.
Mm-hmm.
But now what I'm asking to provide,
Mm.
so for each and every field, you have to provide the BVA and the ECP. So there is BVA and ECP, boundary value analysis.
Can you share that over here? And
This guy did the user, okay, amount, voucher card, voucher filter, business directory, contact. This is not required. It is a link. Should be clicked. That's it. There is no BV and ECP for this. We have to eliminate this. And the description, that is for banking module. Period. From amount to user, amount, payment system amount. Wherever the data should be inserted, for the specific field, you have to mention BV and ECP.
can you add it and show me how to do that?
Just a minute. So, test data.
Because if you look at this one all the way towards the down, I did mention name exceeds length limit, error expected.
Where
If you go all the way down, I think it's number 11, 12. It
11,
does say over there. Yeah, go all the way down on the bottom where it says very long first name exceeding limit.
this one you are seeing.
Yeah, name exceeds length limit, error expected in the test data. Under the name Chris.
The name Chris. Okay, we have this field exceeded the limit. See,
Mm-hmm.
now you provided here. Just a minute, I will tell you. Yeah. So now observe carefully. This is a cyclos registration page. You are going to prepare the test data. Okay. So first name, see, actually in test ID, okay, the requirement ID you provided, you have to focus on first name, then go for last name. You have to insert like this.
I cannot see your screen.
Just a minute. Now,
Yeah, now I can see.
okay. What I'm saying,
Mm-hmm.
For each and every field, so how this guy prepared? For each and every field, you have to mention the description and the BVA limit and ECP limit. For again the amount. See, this person did for Cyclos login, the relative to the like an login credentials where he is going to be insert for voucher code, filter, business directory, contacts. This is in the format of this thing. Now you did for this registration page, right? Okay, click on page user. This is the user value. Okay, and then when we go for dashboard, we have 6 respective submodules. When we click pay user, it goes to pay to user. For this, you have to prepare the data. How to prepare the
Okay,
data?
I'm sorry, I got disconnected actually. Hello?
Yeah, is it clear now?
I got disconnected actually. I had to reconnect again.
Yeah, reconnect.
Yeah, can you show me the screen again, please?
Just a minute.
The one that you were just showing me with the with the limits and stuff like that. Can you just put that in the group, that template?
Pardon?
The one that you were just showing me? No. The one that you were showing that I had to add certain extra. Yeah,
Yeah,
this one.
this one.
Can you please?
Yeah. So this is it. Data
Can you, can you share this
dashboard.
template? Can you share this template in the group so that I can download it from there?
Okay. No issues. Test cases, site close. No?
Mm.
Scenario, test data. So prepare the test cases according to the process what I have provided. Okay, test cases, site close. So here only I will forward this.
Yeah.
Just a minute. So later you can I will ask to share this content to you. I will ask to Switchy to upload this document in a like upload this content in a
Yeah, this one.
uh,
Yep. Mm-hmm. Can you
YouTube
can you
channel.
can you share this on the group so that I can take the template from
Yeah,
there?
yeah. I will ask to upload.
No,
Okay.
you can just share it in the group. I'll take it from there. Just share the Excel sheet.
Just a minute.
Okay.
Hello. చెప్పండి చెప్పండి. Yeah. Vivinder, I
Yeah, so
forgot. Yeah.
now the thing that you were telling me, this has to be added in the test data thing.
Yeah. Test data.
And where
So
do I exactly, after which column do I add it?
see, this is a dashboard. This is for not this module is not for registration page. Not is for see this is for dashboard, completely for dashboard. After login the page, we have to focus on this. Now what
No,
I'm
the
asking,
one that I did actually was for
yeah,
the
yeah,
registration
that's
thing.
what I'm
So
saying.
now for the registration, where was I supposed to add that data?
Okay, I will tell you. I'm telling here only. So
Mm-hmm.
go to register here. See, for this we can have the boundary value and analysis and equivalence class partition. So like this you have to prepare. I will tell you how to prepare the data.
No, I did not quite get that. You are talking about the login page. I'm talking about the registration page.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Hmm. Can you please, oh yeah, can you tell me where was I supposed to add after which column?
Yeah,
Like I
just
have done here the username, password,
I'm,
email.
I'm creating sheet 2 here.
Mm-hmm.
So I will copy all these features. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Now, so I'm in a registration page. Okay. It is a link
Mm-hmm.
here. Now I'm going to click on this register. The profile field in that we have a
Mm-hmm.
name. So in that we have a name. So what is the test data represented value of test data for whatever you provide? Okay, it's doesn't matter what it may be. First we have to wait just a minute, just a minute. Okay, this is the registration page. Now what is the element name? Name. Okay, that's the data for registration module 001. Okay, as data for registration module 001. Okay, name. Now I'm going to provide a boundary value analysis. So imagine this is the description. Okay, here I'll focus on this. So just proper to move and should be moved. This thing should be in this data, and you are getting Arial 14 now. So you can also keep Arial 14 here, the font. Okay, now see what is the BVA? According to this condition, this is a BV, boundary value analysis. Okay, getting now.
Mm-hmm.
Next, ECP. Imagine this is ECP for this respect to description. Okay. This is boundary value analysis, and this is ECP. Alt Enter. Okay. Minimum minus 1 5 characters, maximum for
Mhm.
one blank. So now what I'm doing. So for this is the actual the condition. This is actual condition. The name should be, so this name should be alphanumeric data. Imagine it is an alphanumeric data, and
So now where does the test data that I created, where does that go now?
where
Yeah, the page that I created as the test data. So where does this page go? So that's no good at all?
okay, it's also doesn't matter. This directly will be provided like this. See,
Hmm.
the data will be, if at all, depend upon the description what you are given by the client specification. If you focus
Mhm.
like this, if you focus like this, then only it will be aggressive. No, you have to test all these scenarios. No, okay, getting what I'm saying. See, you have to focus all these scenarios into respective object. So for this object, okay, alphanumeric only, start with alphabet, minimum 6 characters, maximum 40 characters, unique, mandatory. Okay, see, this is mandatory field, right? Mandatory field, and it should be alphanumeric only.
No, but my question is that the test data thing that I created, so that whole thing goes wiped out, right? The uh,
Yeah,
the only way the only way I had to create the table is the way you have put it. That's my
exactly,
question. Huh?
exactly, exactly. You have to
Okay.
do like this only. Okay,
So basically, in these kinds of situations, if ever I have to create a test data, I just copy paste what you have given here, right?
actually, don't copy paste like that. Depend upon the situation, what is the data that should be provided, created.
Yeah, like you could just edit it if there's any change. Instead of 6, it could be 9. Instead of 40, it could be 30. Like one can edit it, but basic remains like this only.
Exactly, exactly. Max
Okay.
extreme, the basic remains like this only.
Okay,
Okay,
that's what I wanted to know. So I do not have to give any specific names or anything. I just generally copy paste this part.
okay, okay. The data should be
Mhm.
maximum like this only. But situation demands. Suppose here the
Yeah,
name
like
is
you have to just edit it based on the situation, but this is like the generic thing that you can paste and then edit it.
exactly. So
Okay.
suppose website doesn't, it doesn't contain say, it doesn't,
Mm-hmm.
it is not a mandatory field. Suppose
Mm-hmm.
if you copy this, it shows the mandatory. So it is not a
No,
big
that's
deal.
what I'm saying. Like to each individual thing, you just edit whatever changes need to be made. But this is like the broader outline that we have to put in there.
Exactly, exactly.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, can you do this?
Yeah.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so how many modules you did?
I actually did the other part also. You had asked me to do the scenarios,
Okay, registration module.
not
Then
the test scenario thing.
yeah, the scenario for site main module, huh? Registration module. You are saying
Yes.
for registration module. Where it is? Okay, Okay. Navigate on registration page field. So what? This is the tester steps. You design very good, but thi- this doesn't comes under scenario description. This bit where you can write the test steps. Basically, in which step, in which document we have to write the, in which document we will write the test steps.
In the test cases.
But what you wrote in scenario, forgot.
So I was not supposed to write this over here.
Pardon?
So the test steps should not be written at all here in the scenario.
No, you should not write the test steps in the scenario.
Okay, so the only thing is, so can you just erase this, to take this part off, delete it so that I can see how it was supposed to be?
So I will show a sample data.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, scenario. Yes, you wrote here only, no?
Mm-hmm.
I will show sample.
Can you edit this one so that I know exactly like what was not required? So can you delete the test steps, the D column?
Okay, I will do one thing. Just a minute.
Okay. So now whatever is left behind, this is how I had to do it.
Wait, I will tell you. Expected result is not right. See, this comes under testers
Okay.
cases. Test cases don't write in the scenario.
Yeah,
Yeah,
no, I understand that now. So
yeah.
can we go back? Can you delete that also so that I can see how exactly it should be? Okay, this is gone too. Okay, so now we are just left with the test scenario description and preconditions.
Hmm.
So this is what it was supposed to be.
Yeah. Scenario description, precondition, plot. So this all things doesn't require. What you're doing, see, this
Hmm.
all comes under test cases. Don't confuse the scenario. See, see, what is the definition of scenario?
All the possible areas that we can test.
Okay, all the possible areas on a particular bit should be tested. So how
Yeah.
to write test scenario 001 to validate
Hmm.
validate what is that scenario? Registration page to validate validate registration page. Validate a registration page. So this is very high. That's it.
And we had to add priority here.
Priority should be provided.
So how do we know the priority at that time unless we have tested it? We don't know the priority yet.
See, I'm not saying the defect status. Without the priority, the developers are not going to fix the problem. That is the defect what you're saying.
So why are we going to put priority over here? Because we do not even know the
Preference.
priority.
Yes, preference. If this data should be, we have to create definitely the registration page, right? Without registration, it is not possible to get the privileges to login builder. Okay.
No. See, over here, we are saying to validate. We have not even validated it yet. So how are we going to know what priority is it? That was my question. Because you added priority over here in column D,
Okay.
right?
Hmm.
Yeah. So we are still to validate it. So how would we know what priority is this page at? We have
See,
not tested it yet.
exactly. But I'm giving importance to test this build in the first point of view.
Okay, so this does not go to the developer. This is for me.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. No. See,
Okay.
generally after getting the defect, severity priority will be assigned. That is
Mm-hmm.
the different. That's the different issue. So
Mm-hmm.
basically, defect priority will be assigned by the developer. That is the different
Mm-hmm.
issue. But mm, apart from that, in testing part, the tester will going to assign the priority, how much important to measure to
Mm-hmm.
create the registration page. Okay, to
Mm-hmm.
validate registration page comes under priority. This is the priority. P0
Mm-hmm.
is the priority. Depend upon this, we have to focus on registration page validation. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so I given here also no. So I
Do you
provided
do you
the
have any other template for test scenario?
that that is the scenario template only. I
No, no,
provide.
no. Like your own, not mine one. Your own template. Do you have anything? The way you've written it.
This is the template.
For what the
Scenario,
scenario?
scenario should be mentioned.
I don't see
Yes,
anything written here.
it's not written. I'm providing the template.
Okay. Can you share this also, please?
Require this, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
The test scenario one.
I'll share this. So I will ask her to share later. I will send it to you today. Today at any cost today till afternoon, morning.
You can share it right now. You open the
No, no,
template,
no.
just huh.
Actually, I have to forward in a group. They are uh, they are going to share the template. No, that's why I'm asking. Okay.
So you
So
cannot share it in the group. I'll take it from there.
no, no. Actually, it should be sent to the another group, and that's why I'm asking. It will come to you. Don't worry. Tomorrow you can get.
Oh, yeah, the thing is, see, when I have it, I can work on it because by the
Mhm.
time you send it, it's already the next day. Then I lose the whole day. That's what has been happening in the past. Like over the week, the thing that you had to send on Friday, I got it on Monday. I could have worked on it on Saturday and Sunday since we were not doing any classes. So I lost the whole week and I could not review it. Then
Oh,
Monday, new things come up. You know what I mean to say? Then the things add up and pile up and I'm not able to do the details of it. Then I can spend the rest of the day like reviewing it. Because by the time I receive it, it's going to be the next day and then new things are going to be added. I don't get a chance to review the previous things then. That's the whole thing. Because I'm very serious about this, Shiva. I really want to make this work.
okay. Just a minute.
Yeah. Because I definitely want to like start working in next maybe 3-4 months or so. Time I don't make mistakes, now I know exactly what template am I looking at.
Exactly.
Hmm.
Okay. This is
Yeah.
a
So now I
standardization of.
understand these two things very clearly: how to write
Okay.
the scenarios and how to create the test data.
Yeah. It's clear.
Yep, these
Okay.
two parts are very clear now.
Yeah. It's crucial.
Hmm.
You
Yeah.
have to, of course, the data will be provided by superiors, but better
Mhm.
to understand and better to create because it's easy to create, right? When you,
Exactly, that's what I mean to say. Like, I can edit it now. At least I know the broader aspect of it that I have to make these 3-4 columns.
yeah, okay,
Yeah. Yeah.
check,
Thanks again, Shiva.
yeah, no issues. So
Mm-hmm.
check it out. See, this is the scenario.
Mm-hmm.
Most probably, this is not normal template. Instead of that, I give it another template, and this is the data, and
Mm-hmm.
this is the cases, and these
Yep,
are
I got
cases.
it. Yeah, can you go back one more time to the scenario thing? I'll just take a screenshot. Everything else I have it. Yep.
Yeah,
Okay, got it. Thank you.
okay then. Fine.
Hmm.
And this is the tester data
Yeah. I got
for
that one.
your
Hmm.
respective build.
Yes.
This is for login,
Mm-hmm.
and these are all features are available. And this is banking module.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Yep.
yeah. I closed login, and this is
Mm-hmm.
for banking module. I
Mm-hmm.
given only two features to him to create.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Okay.
those are analyzed clearly. So BVA, ECP, valid, invalid, and the description eliminated.
Mm-hmm.
So first focus on scenario and data, then I will
Mm-hmm.
try to explain you about test cases.
Right.
Okay. So
Yep.
test cases, defect report, and summary report. These are the three parts should be known. First, make
Mm-hmm.
it scenario and test data.
Mm-hmm.
It's clear?
Yep. These two are very clear now.
So now prepare today and come with that particular data as well as the scenario.
Okay. For
Okay.
anyone, any of this thing?
Ready?
For Cyclos or for anyone?
First, better to go for cycles because you got a
Okay.
domain knowledge. No,
Okay.
You got a domain knowledge, right?
Yeah.
So for cyclists, we can focus on that.
Okay.
It's clear?
Yep.
Okay. So do it today. Tomorrow we will
Mm-hmm.
continue. Okay?
Okay. Okay, right.
Yeah, thank you. Have a nice
Thank
day.
you, Shiva. You too. Thank you.